Alright, boom, 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 boom. Alright, here we go on. Today we have a special music video. It's called Overwhelming. Now, the reason why I say special is because this youth is a positive youth. I never hear me no bag mix up and bag quarrel and media and all them something there. So his name is 450 and the song is called Overwhelming. Now, if you guys want to know why am I so thick, it's because I am also a vegan. 1, 2, me work out. And 3, you guys can get some workout ideas on my other channel. It's called dinhoswole. And you can find me on all the platforms, dinhoswole. Alright? So yes, and you can find me on TikTok at Gen1 Podcast. Google me. Search me. Yeah. No.
Boy, if you don't get...
Man, no matter about. But anyway, I could jump into the video now. Because we're not going to waste no time. Because time is precious. So, let's go.
Yo, Jeffy.
Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.
All this life is a mess. When I pressure overwhelming, I know.
Like I tell you guys, your intro have a lot to do with it. Now that intro wasn't a lot, but guess what? Something got under me eye. He has a melodic voice. His voice is captivating. That's why the ladies love him. Alright?
And seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because the 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting.
Now if you hear what the dog say, things get overwhelming because sometimes the 9 to 5 is not the best thing. I'm gonna tell you this, bro. I've been work for people. I've been see how them treat people. I've been see how everything happen in the work field, brother. And that's why I'm telling myself, say, brother, I'm rather doing something for myself. So if you guys thinking about creating content, opening a business, do it. Trust me. No, I want to know block off, pause the music for a while, because I have a positive message for you. I tell you this, brother. I want to know this well. See me? I'm not telling you no fuck you, brother. Nobody now say a 9 to 5 is bad. You see me? There's a lady, I forgot her name. You see me? But I'm going to bring her name. I'm going to search her name and put it in here. So, you see me? I'm going to go look her up. Knowledgeable lady. White lady. Find her on YouTube. She tell you, you are never free until you own your own shit. Trust me. You are never free until you own your own business. Trust and believe me when me tell you that, me G. You see me? Trust and believe me. And it is true. You're never free until you own. You rather put your time in somebody else's business building their dream, or you rather put your time in yourself building your dream. Make that sink in for a minute. So the same hours where you get up and go work 8 hours, 10, 12 hours, try put the same amount of effort and hours in something where you want to create, brother, what you want to build. Even if it is creating content, it doesn't fucking matter. And the simple part of that song a while ago just bring back a lot of memories to me, dog. Big man mates. You see me? But with anything, let's get back into the music. Sorry for my little rant. I apologize.
Just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait for the wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't turn me off in a reaction.
I love that. Cool like London can't try me for a reaction. Cause sometimes we as man, our biggest downfall is that is our ego. We're too egotistic, brother, when it comes on to certain things. We don't know if we just avoid certain things, dog. And that's a positive message, bro.
Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for done fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. I know one see.
Bro, like telling the honest truth, I never listened to the song before I come over here, brother. So that's honestly me, so but I don't even know if I said dog. Because I sang a hit, dog. You see me? Sang a hit. Cause something happened to me recently, dog. Where people, you got people that got bad mind. People are gonna see you, just bad mind you, bro. You see me? Remember this, and everybody wants to see you do better than them, and everybody wants to see you do well. And some people want to see you do good, just not better than them, bro. You see me? And there's a saying, dog. Same grave where you dig for me, or the same grave you're gonna live for see me dance, man. Remember that.
Seems to be helping, and illegal things feel tempting because the 9 to 5 I know investing, and I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessing.
Always remember that, brother. Always remember that. You have to be prepared for your blessings. So when you go through some things, I gotta put you through it so you can learn.
Cause you're walking a man more than he can be a virgin. Might not be the best of my life, but we still stand the test of
Get to you to have things. Alright.
time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride. Might not work, but at least I tried. Fed up as some feel sometimes, and I admit I've cried.
That's a Louis jacket. That shit is hard. That Louis jacket is magnificent.
But it's a part of life. No high pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
tempting because the 9 to 5 I know investing, and I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking
Don't forget for prayer. Alright. So the dog have to make sure say involve God in him song. We need to do that more often.
a man more than he can be a virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, we upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for
Love that verse there.
Cloud dog, all them a pray for don't fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God, come and know the pressure overwhelming. And illegal things feel tempting because
Don't get yourself involved in illegal activities. Please. See me? It's gonna be tempting, brother, but take on yourself out of it. Cause jail not nice. Prison not nice. And you don't want dead. So, stay up on the straight and narrow.
as a 9 to 5 I know investing. I just preparation for blessings.
Run out, youth.
True ambassador of music.
Alright, make way. Stop it right here. Yeah, right there, sir. Alright, that's the title of the song, Overwhelming. No, personally speaking, phenomenal job, 450. I think 450 make good music. I'm not gonna deny that. 450 is a great artist, yo. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want him do the way him there by himself, him do him one thing. I didn't really give up F about the outside world. That's how me view him still. I could be wrong. You see me? A lot of how me view him. And it's a great feeling for know say it's a youth where him sing about girl song, him sing about some bad song, but not really a lot of bad songs. He's more on the positive side and he cater more for the females. But however, it is good for sure the versatility where an artist can bring forth to the table. When I say versatility, I mean in flow, in delivery, when it comes to whether I'm sing about woman, gun, or something conscious. And that is something when we think a lot of artists don't have right now. A lot of artists bust them brain self to sing a conscious song, or bust them brain self to sing a straight song for just woman. Them all have to include gun and this and that. So I think a dog is a great artist on that platform. You see me? The music video, 10 out of 10. The director deserve an award. It tells a story. You understand me? The video and the song tell a story. Him tell us say yo, him been through it. Him know say the 9 to 5 no make sense sometimes. You see me? But him stay focused and believe in himself and believe in him dream. Aim for the stars. You see me? You understand what I mean? Aim for the stars. The sky's not the limit. I mean, everybody tell no fuckery. You see me? Right? I mean, if you are the stars are the limit. But it's just to show you, say, yo, if you stay righteous and stay positive, consistent, it will bring results. And I think the song is a 10 out of 10. The video is a 10 out of 10. And let me tell you now, make your song match your videos. If you are sing about gun, sing about gun. If you are sing about badness, sing about badness. If you are sing about woman, sing about woman. If you are sing something positive, make it be positive, bro. Stop trying to stop singing about woman and bring gun and war night. Please, it is rubbish. Alright? So yo, I'm glad that I come out with a song like this. Cause this is already on my playlist. Cause this is our uplifting song. Big man thing. So like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.